this is a short video explaining use of Cashbook within the Sage 1 cloud accounting program. Once you log in into your Sage 1 account, you need to click on Cashbook to record all your income and expenses transactions. In this video, I will show you how to record your income once you receive it into your bank account or even cash in hand. Once you are logged in into the system, you will be presented with options as shown on the first page, and once you have clicked on Cashbook, you will land onto this new screen where you will be given two different options at very top, namely expenses and income. You click on income and then you proceed to step 2, which asks you to input relevant data in terms of the transaction you have received or transactions you have received into your bank account. In the payment method, there are 3 default options: bank receipt, cash receipt, check in hand. In this video, we will just use the bank receipt method to record your transactions. Once you have clicked on bank receipt, in the second option, it asks you to select type of income or type of sale. Again, here, because we are just concentrating on sales recording, so you just click on sales, and in my coming videos, I will also explain the other options and in which scenarios you need to select those. In the payment date, you just select the relevant date. If it's in the past, you just use the calendar menu and go backwards or forward and select the relevant date. I'll just select today's date. And then in the contact section, it asks you to insert the name of contact or client you have received this payment from. I suggest that if you have received this payment from a specific client or customer, or if just one of transaction you're recording, you should select the name by clicking on this option, creating the new customer if it's not already there. And once you have saved that, then you just type in the name, the first couple of letters, and it should come up. I'm just going to leave it blank for now. In the reference section, it can be any reference. It can be the same reference as used on your bank account once you receive the transaction, or that's something you can specify as you wish. I am just going to use demo as reference here. In the bank account section, as you can understand, every business can have more than one business bank accounts, including current account or savings account. But most of the businesses, they receive their income into the current account. Now, there is an option within the system to create more than one bank accounts, which I will explain in another video. But for now, we'll just select the default bank account, which will be our current account. And then the most important bit, you just record the amount of sales. Let's say it's £100 for this sale, and you select the type of VAT you have charged on that sale. Now, this is very important. If your business is registered for VAT, then you select the relevant option. So for example, if I select standard, that will calculate 20%, which is the standard VAT rate, on top of the actual sales amount. So it has automatically calculated that the VAT due on this sales should be £20. In terms of VAT already part of your sales, if you have charged the total amount, or if you're inserting the total amount in the total section here in the first box under the step 4, you will, let's say if you have charged them £120 in total, which is including VAT, you just type in £120 and you just tick this box. Now, once you do that, you can see that total is 120, but nothing has changed here because it's assuming that 120 incorporates the VAT element itself, so it just leaves £20 as it is. But in the other case, if you take the tick out, it assumes that this is something you've charged the customer, but that excludes the amount of VAT, so it charges £24 on top. In other cases where you're not registered for VAT, you just click on no VAT, just put the total amount you've charged, and the actual VAT box grays out itself. Once you have recorded all this information, you click on save, and you can see this transaction appears right there under 24th of May 2015 payment date with the category of sales, payment method bank receipt, and the amount 120. So that's how you record your bank income transactions. Thank you for watching.